And go to the fourth. In one who has aroused energy, unworldly rapture arises. First of all, what is rapture?
Happiness.
Happiness where? In the body. Yeah. And what is unworldly? Yeah, it's not related to external people, situations and things. It's not worldly, not samsaric. Literal translation, not of the samsara. Yeah, adhyatmic. Of this is so much of interest to you, wisdom and inner knowledge. Recognizing it has become so interesting now that what happens? Energies increase, and that energy leads to happiness, excitement. On that occasion, the rapture enlightenment factors aroused in him, and he develops it, and by that development, it comes to fulfillment in him. Yeah, when I say the movie is released, first there is energy and then there is excitement. Did you notice it coming one after the other? Yeah, and you feel that excitement in the body. What is the difference between excitement in the body and pleasure in the mind? There's a surprise party for you. What happens? You feel the goosebumps. That is excitement in the body. What is pleasure in the mind? तो शोकोकुस कैसा होगा ना? That's a pleasant, soft joy. So that's a softer joy compared to the goosebumps that you feel on the body. You get it? So the goosebumps on the body is rapture, and that soft, pleasant joy is sukha, pleasure. I don't have to teach you samadhi really. It will start happening provided you keep making your earnest effort in satipatthana. And lots of garbage gets cleaned, you become lighter and lighter and lighter. And what does lightness do to you? You become happy. You become happy. You become happy, 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 happy. That excitement happens. That's another milestone in satipatthana. In one who is rapturous, the body and the mind become tranquil. What is rapturous first? We're happy, all excitement. Yes? Now when this excitement starts calming down, what happens? Yeah, tranquility happens. What is tranquility? Becoming calmer. But it is a happy calm. It's not equanimous calm yet. Yeah? A happy calmness. Tranquil, उसको बोलेंगे कभी ट्रैंक्विलाइजर लिया है नींद की गोली if you take tranquilizers so you feel nasha little oozy, yeah, so how you feel? Happy and kind of dazed. That is a tranquil feeling. You're happy, but this is natural. You've not taken a tranquilizer here. Huh? This is naturally feeling that way. Very happy, but very calm happy. Not excited happy, a calm happy. I'll tell you now, if someday you're feeling very sad and low and depressed, something happened at home and you're not feeling good, and when you sit, what happens in Satipatthana? Yeah, you'll have very gross sensations. Gross sensation means like stone-like, heavy sensations. Yeah, and then I will tell you, okay, now evoke the enlightenment factor of rapture. What is rapture? Yeah, this joy in the body, the excitement wala joy. So then you'll have to work on that. Yeah, increase your mindfulness. Yeah, become very, very interested in what you're doing. The energy will go up and excitement will happen. You get it? So we'll start working on these things, but for that you have to reach a little bit higher. Practice now, practice.